Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of word of the day, this word is very useful, unfortunately, in our times. How do we say disaster in Hebrew? Disaster in Hebrew is Ason, 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 Ason. And disasters, plural. You see the tough, but it is still masculine plural. Yeah, that happens. So disasters in Hebrew is asonot. 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 Ason, disaster. Asonot, disasters. And if your life is a mess and you want to say, my life is a mess, you would say, Hachaim sheli ason. So, ason is also mess and disaster in this sentence. Life is chaim, but you say hachaim, my sheli. Hachaim sheli ason. Hachaim sheli Ason. Take care, really. Get better, and until next time, you'll find links to selected lessons in the description box below. Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. להתראות בקרוב.